great and it was fulfilling. And so again, I want to say thank you, Sarah and Kendra. Cox Family Health and Spa, right? I think that's Cox Family Health Clinic is what it is in Google, but they are a health spa and med clinic. And so, yeah, I got lost. No fault of them. It was all me. I put in the wrong address. So I was driving around Antlers for a minute, but I did it. I met up, and it was great. And they blessed me tremendously. And I'm just excited, and I look forward to a great relationship in the name of God, edifying Him in all His glory.